Remove the Dzus Fastener. Simultaneously pull the ring while pushing the bottom of the Dzus Fastener out. Lay the material grip side down on a flat surface. Align the gas cap so there is an even amount of material on all sides. Staple down all pressure points. Continue to fill in the gaps. Pinch and fold the material where the pan curves. This will create a wrinkle-free install. Repeat for the whole cap. Use a flathead to tuck the cover in tight spaces. Then use the pinch and fold technique to staple it down. Use scissors or a razor blade to trim off the excess material. Be sure not to press the blade into the pan. Be careful and slow when trimming around tight areas. Use a flathead to tuck in any material poking out. Take your Dzus Fastener and insert it through the bottom of the pan. Apply pressure until you see the indentation on the other side. Use your razor blade to make a small nick in the cover where the Dzus Fastener is protruding. Push the Dzus Fastener through the small nick. You may need to push it from the bottom first before pushing it through the top. Take your washer and apply it to the bottom of the Dzus Fastener. Make sure it is tight and secure.